Hi everyone, my name's Lauren. I'm a communist from Australia, currently residing here in the UK. I want to talk briefly today about identity politics and how it's really the latest line of attack against women's rights, more specifically, and against the working class more broadly. One of the real dangers of identity politics is that it seeks to divide the workers into narrower and narrower subsections and identity groups, seeking to turn us against each other, telling us that, all straight people oppress all gay people, all men oppress all women, all white people oppress all black people. And it turns workers against each other so that they fight each other rather than uniting to fight against the ruling class. One of the most pervasive aspects of identity politics is that it really seeks to control the language that's acceptable for us to use, not just in the workplace, but also in our social lives. And it really seeks to punish us if we don't keep up with these constantly changing accepted definitions and terminology, as if, we have a lot of time to waste studying on the new pronoun of the day after we've spent our day at work struggling to feed our kids or pay our bills. One of the most dangerous aspects of identity politics is that it seeks to raise individual concerns and philosophical understanding above the class position of workers and above their material conditions, telling us that, we can achieve liberation through being kind or through changing language rather than achieving better material conditions for the working class. And that's why, with International Women's Day fast approaching, it's incumbent on all workers, men and women alike, to join together to fight for socialism so we can achieve real emancipation for women.